Help, why my email marketing bounces so high. Bounces are something that as email marketers we all suffer from in varying degrees. We do need to manage these and make sure they aren't an issue, however. A high bounce rate can really kill your email campaigns. So, what's a bounce? A bounce is a failure. The email did not get through, and this could be for a number of reasons. In this quick video, we're going to take a look at some of the possible reasons your email bounced. This one has really risen to be one of the more prominent reasons for your emails bouncing over the last few years. As spam filters have become more and more strict, they've penalised senders who are not using domain verification. Domain verification involves adding an SPF and DKIM record to your sending domain. If you're using third-party software to send out your email marketing, then this is something you will definitely need to have in place. Doing so adds a seal of authenticity to your email marketing sends. In order to protect inboxes from the possibility of fake identity email scams, the filters run checks looking for domain verification. So without this in place, your bounce rate could be quite high. Using email marketing software makes it really easy to send campaigns out to thousands of subscribers really quickly. Whilst this is great, and the possibility that if you overdo this volume, spam filters could block your sends, resulting in a high bounce rate. The advice here is to regularly send to consistent volumes. If you are new to email marketing, don't suddenly pop up with 10,000 sends. This is quite likely to cause you an issue. Your email sending server will carry with it a sender score. This score is a reputation and is visible to your recipient's email server. A low score can often and does result in your email being blocked or recorded as a bounce. Your previous activity here will influence your score. Regular reads and clicks will result in a positive movement, and conversely, low interactions and high bounces or unsubscribes will cause your score to decrease. The advice here is to research the type of campaigns and email marketing strategy that your subscribers will want to receive. All email marketing campaigns will receive some bounces. It's important that you monitor these and remove email addresses from your list. If you keep emailing to bounced addresses, it compounds the problem. As filters start penalising you for doing so, your bounces will increase from there. Luckily, any decent email marketing software will automatically handle bounces for you by removing them from your data. If you're just starting with email marketing or have just switched to a new email marketing software platform, then your server you're using needs to go through a process known as warming. Using a new server, you appear as being an unknown quantity to spam filters. Your email server has not yet gained a sender reputation. Warming involves starting with small quantities of emails and gradually increasing over the course of a month or so. By doing so, you start to build trust and build a positive sender reputation with spam filters. Going in with a sizable campaign on a cold email server can result in your email campaigns receiving an unsustainably high level of bounces. Any email marketing list will require regular maintenance. It's important to make sure that email addresses not only contain live and active email addresses, but are regularly cleaned. This means removing people who aren't interacting or have stopped interacting with your sends. All dead addresses and unsubscribes should also be removed straight away. When adding new subscribers to your list, you should only add email addresses who have followed a positive action to opt in to your mailing list. You should also make sure that you have a double opt-in form in process to stop automated bots from polluting your list with bad data. Poor list hygiene will always result in a high level of bounces. Mailbox filters will actively penalise senders who don't clean their lists. If your bounces are high, then this could be because either your company domain name or your sending server has been blocked by one or more filtering organisations. Spam filters have become much more strict. This has been on the increase. Your domain or your server could be blocked for any one of these areas that we've discussed so far. If your email marketing is sent using a sending server shared with other people, then their activity can also affect you. Historic bad activity and server blacklisting can remain in place for a long time, so it could even be the activity from someone else from a long time ago. It's always a good idea to find out a little bit more about the server that your account lives on. Senderscore.org is a great resource for doing this. You can also use the blacklist lookup services to alert you of any issues. If you've had some issues with bouncing, then you'll hopefully found some useful pointers in this video. Now thanks for watching, I hope you found this useful and be sure to like and subscribe.